Hey, what's up, everyone? So I've gotten a couple requests from you guys in the comments down below to do like a HODL report as far as how much Hive is HODLing, Bitfarms, Hot8, Marathon, and Riot. So I've compiled all the data that I could find right now, the most recent data, and put it into this presentation here for you guys. We'll take a look at what the outcome is of it. So let's get into it right now. So miners HODL report, Hive versus Bitfarms versus Hot8 versus Marathon versus Riot. So Hive blockchain reported back in right around August 27th that they have 946 BTC, which at today's BTC price is valued at around 48.5 million. Ethereum, they're reporting that they're having it right around 25,000, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong on this, but that would equate to at today's price of Ethereum would be like 97.4 million. So the total HODL would be 145.9 million. Bitfarms reported in July, so this is about a month old, that they had 1,293 BTC that they were holding, which was valued at 66.3 million. Hot8 on September 2nd through their August mining production report, they provided that they have 4,450 BTC, which is right now valued at 228.2 million. And then we have Marathon Digital also provided their August mining report in September 2nd. They provided that they have 6,695 BTC valued at 343.3 million. And lastly, Riot reported back in July 31st that they have 2,687 BTC, which I think was at the end of June from their reporting, which is valued at 137.8 million. So if we look at all the totals here, we'll first start with Hive. So Hive, if we look at Hive is HODLing 145.9 million, right, which is right here. Their market cap is at 1.375 billion, and the share price is at 3.6. So total shares outstanding would be right around 382, you could say, million. EPH here was what I am using. So EPH is earnings per HODL, basically, would be 38 cents. So 38 cents per share on their HODLing. If we use price to HODL 20 ratio, that would be a stock price of 764 is where they should be based on what they're HODLing right now. Just on that alone, not what they're adding onto their miners or anything like that. So the price difference on that one is there's a $4.04 upside potential for it as well. Bitfarms, so let's do this. Let's undo that. So Bitfarms was HODLing 66.3 million. Their market cap is at right around 1 billion. Share price currently is at 641. Shares outstanding is 165.5 million. And so their earnings per HODL would be 40 cents based on the information. And their price to HODL 20 ratio would be at stock price of $8.01. So there's an upside potential of $1.60 for this one. So now if we look at Hot8 is HODLing 228.2 million, a market cap of 1.5 billion. Share price is at 10.67 right now. Shares outstanding is 143 million. So earnings per HODL would be $1.59. Price to HODL 20 ratio would be at stock price 31.85, and their stock price is at 10.67 right now. So that would be an increase of 21.18 based on my calculations here. Let's clear that up. And so let's go into Marathon. Marathon is HODLing 343 million right now. Market cap is at 4.3 billion. Share price right now is at 43.41. Shares outstanding is around 99 million currently. So earnings per HODL would be 345. Price to HODL ratio of 20 would give us 68.91 for the share price. So we have a upside potential of 25.50 to get to where it should be just based on HODLing, right? So let's take a look at, finally, Riot. Riot is HODLing right now 37.8 million. Market cap is at 3.3 billion. Share price right now is 34.43. Shares outstanding is at 95.9, last reported, at least based on these calculations. Earnings per HODL would be $1.44. Price to HODL 20 ratio, that would give us a stock price of 28.73. So we have a negative 570. So it looks like it is, to me at least, Riot looks right now like it would be overpriced just based on the HODLing potential of their income on that. So obviously if price goes up on Bitcoin, Ethereum as well, let's just say price of Bitcoin goes up 2x from here. So it's at 50,000, 51,000 right now, roughly. So it goes up to 100,000 by the end of the year. Hive should be double that. So we're looking at around $15. Bitfarms should be around 16. Hut 8 would be around $60, and then Marathon should be around 120, and Riot right around $58. So this is just a quick, analysis on their hodling right now. So it looks to me, the upside potential is obviously there for all of them except for Riot. Riot, for some reason, I believe, I know that they're putting in a lot more miners coming online here shortly, this year and next year. So that will obviously change as well, depending on how much they hodl and things like that. But right now, Riot just seems to me like it's overpriced based on what they're just hodling right now. Obviously, you have to take into account what they're mining, same with the rest of the guys. The more machines they get in, the more they're going to be mining, so the price obviously can justify that higher price reflection as well. So that's it. Let me know what you guys think of it. Hopefully this helps out a little bit as far as your comparison. Obviously, do your own research. I'm just a YouTube guy here, hoping to provide a little bit of information for you guys so you guys can stay informed. Yeah, but let me know what you guys think of this. If you disagree, agree. Or if you have some newer data that I could pump into this, that would be great. Until next time, you guys have a great day. I'll see you in the next one.